make it towards the end of this video, I just like to remind you that you can always like, subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias, just so we can keep in touch. And not only that, don't forget to become a Patreon, so you can get all sorts of type of goodies that me and Dr. Jenny G cooked up. So, okay, Sailor Scouts, today SailorP predicts P and Puppycat Lazy in space. At first I thought it was lost in space, but it's lazy in space, which I'm really excited for because it's season 2 of B and Puppycat, and it comes out this year. And the last time we seen B, we discovered something very peculiar. She's not really a person. She's like this cyborg or maybe an android. You know what I mean? So, and it really sums up why she's afraid of water. And then Deckard, he goes off and leaves for that culinary school after being basically spooked by the fact that B isn't really human. But I think this season is going to be basically flashbacks, because we know that B used to work at a cat cafe, but we don't really know why she was fired. And I think that flashback is going to have to do something with Deckard now that he's out of the picture, which I think we also gonna know who that third mystery person is. And speaking of Deckard, I think we're gonna see more of Deckard's family, because I think in the preview, well, to me, I predict that that the guy in the boat or whatever is Deckard's dad. But I don't know, he looks kind of different. Speaking of looks, everything's so shiny now. They got B's hair looking more shiny and a little bit shorter, and her outfits is way super cute. Even Deckard's hair is more shiny. But I don't know about the other two, Toast and Cass, which we're gonna see more of. But I think it's just gonna be more of just them two instead of interacting with B and Puppycat. And I don't think Carmen's mom is gonna wake up, because after she ate that donut, we just saw water and then jellyfish coming out of her eyes. And if she doesn't wake up, that's fine by me, because I think she's like one of the most beautifully made characters in this series. But yeah, I think it's gonna be fun to watch, because we're gonna get to see more of what happened in the beginning than what's happening after. You know what I mean? I think this is more of like a plot hole filler season. You know what I mean? Like, because we don't really know why B got fired from her job. And we really don't know what she was doing, like, in the beginning of after she got fired. So, yeah. Just a little short video for you guys. Hopefully you guys give this a thumbs up and make it towards the end. And as always, Sailor Scouts, SailorP says, like and subscribe. Bye.